Okay. The next question which we have taken up is here. It says, in the adjoining figure, ABCD is a square grassy lawn. So here is a lawn, this one, okay, ABCD, of area 729 meters square, this part. A path of uniform, here is the path. A path of uniform width runs all around it. If the area of the path is 295, this path has area of 295. Find, number 1, the length of the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. So this is the length of the boundary, okay, the outer boundary, not that of the lawn, okay, of the full thing, that the outer boundary, that is the length of the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. And the second part you have to find out is the width of this path. So let us see how we are going to do. Okay, so here is our diagram, same diagram I have drawn over here. Okay, it's ABCD. In here you can give it the name EFGH, the outer boundary. Okay, now what do we know? We know that this inner grassy lawn, we know the area of this inner grassy lawn is given as 729. Okay, so let me take that inner one, it's a square, so all of them will have the same, and the outer one let me take as y. Okay, the outer boundary. So inner grassy lawn, the area is given as 729. So let the length of the square lawn, this lawn is there inside, okay, that has been taken as x. So now I can say that x square is equal to 729, area of the inner. Okay, so 729 is the square of 27. Okay, so the length of this square of this, now the length of this particular square lawn is going to be 27. So obviously it's 27 on all sides. Now I do not know what is the, now this is the outer boundary. Okay, so let the length of the outer field be y. Okay, the outer one, let it be y. Now do we know what should its area be? We actually know the area. What is given to us is the, this one, you see from here, inner one, the area is given as 729. The path, the area is given as 295. So if we add them, we should get the area of this big square, isn't it? Outer one is also a square because it's of uniform, path of uniform width. So obviously these are all uniform. So the outer one is also going to be a square. So let the length of the outer field be y. So y square, area of this outer field should be equal to y into y square. And from here, what should be the area? Area should be equal to 729 lawn plus the path. Area of the path is 295. You add them, you'll get 1024. So y is, and 1024 is the square of 32. So y is equal to 32. So y was my outer boundary, isn't it? What was my question? My question was, find the length of the boundary of the square field enclosing the lawn and the path. So this boundary is going to be equal to 32 into 4, isn't it? 32, 32, 32, 32. So this is going to be equal to, so length of the outer boundary is equal to 32 into 4 is equal to 128 meter. The second part of the question was width of the path. The width of the path is how much? This distance is 32. This distance is 27, isn't it? If the width of the path is suppose a, okay, let me take the width of the path as a. Now what happens? X, this is my x, which I have already found as 27. So you have a on this side, okay, if the width of the path is a, and you have a on this side. So x plus 2a should be equal to y. X and y I have already found out, isn't it? X is 27, y is 32. So x plus 2a is equal to y. That means I can say that 27 plus 2a is equal to 32, isn't it? This is 27 plus 2a should be equal to 32. So from here I am going to get that 2a is equal to 5. That means a is equal to 2.5 meter. That means the width of the path is equal to 2.5 meter.